Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 365, Calling Server Logic. In our last tip, I covered how to create a server logic file. In this tip, let's look at how you can actually invoke that code. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. For now, the only way to invoke Power Pages server logic code is by using the Web API. The endpoint for server logic is /API/serverlogics/the name of your server logic file. You make AJAX calls to that endpoint in order to run your code. The method used in your AJAX call determines which function in your file is called. Options include get, post, put, patch, and del. If you are sending JSON data as part of your request, be sure to use json.stringify for the data field. The call to the Web API will return a JSON object that includes a request ID, a success boolean, the name of the server logic, and a data field, represented as a string. Use json.stringify to pass back a JSON object in the data field. Hopefully in the future, there will be ways to call server logic from lists or as part of a form submission process without the need for additional code. In our next tip, we'll look more at the special objects available to us in the server logic JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 365 on calling server logic useful.